Shorty like $1,000 plate, fine china. Tell her that she beautiful every day.
What's the dealie, y'all? Let's get started. I decided I wanted to show you guys how I achieved the braid pattern that you all had questions on. I'm going to take it slow this time so you guys can see what I'm doing. First off, we add moisture back to our hair after we blow dry. So I'm using Mielle leave-in conditioner, distributing that all throughout my hair. Then taking my favorite comb because it's sharp as a mug. You'll want to part a section of your hair straight back. Remember, when parting, it doesn't have to be as neat going towards the back because you won't be able to see that once your hair is full with your passion twist or braids or any crochet. The remaining products I'll be using throughout this video are Twisting Souffle and Edge Control by Murray's. I use the Edge Control to give my part a sharper look. Now, when you're in front of your head, you definitely want to make sure your parts are on point, simply because that's the part where people look at first. What you're going to do is part that whole section into pieces of sections, taking your desired twisting cream, and you only need about a dime size. You're going to put that onto that section that you're currently working on. You can also distribute it throughout your hair, it's up to you. By the way, with the other crochet video I did plait my hair, but it did take a while for me to unplait it when it was time to take it out. So in this video, I decided to do twist outs instead, and then you guys will see how I accomplish this after everything is done. So I'm going to continue doing this braided illusion around my head, and I will be back with you guys when I do something different. Now here's the part where people had the most questions on how did she braid the back. She did it too fast. Well, here we go. Let's take it slow for you, boo-boo. So here's what we're going to do. We're taking our 3 sections of braids. You want to make sure they're equal out, and honestly the only thing you're doing is just putting that into one big braid, all the sections into one big braid, and just plaiting that back. It's really that easy. Say if you had a total of 9 sections of cornrows in your head, you'll take the 3 sections on the right, the 3 sections on the left, and the 3 sections on the middle. You'll make them all into one big section basically, and just braid it all into one big braid. really that easy. And as you can see, you're going to have a little rat tail. What you're going to do with that is either tuck it in as I'm doing, or you can bobby pin it, sew it down, either or. Long as that thing is secured, you'll be good to go. And that's it, you guys. You now have a braiding illusion to do your crochet to give you the individual look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. And I will see you guys in the next one.
Why you gotta do this? Why you